What's up, guys? This is gonna be a straight up unboxing of the crankshaft positioning tool. This is the one that goes underneath. We're changing the gasket on the 1998 Mustang, guys. Let me show you guys so you guys can be like, who the fuck? That's me. Nah, I just don't know. I just felt weird, so maybe it's weird. But nah. These are the tools I'm gonna need, guys, to change the head gasket. You need these. There's two in here. This one's heavy. This is all from Amazon. Hell yeah, Amazon. Jeff came in clutch, like you wouldn't believe. What this box is. Oh, all right. All right then. And this one is the camshafts. These go on each side. After you take off the valve cover, guys, you got to put on the this tool. So when you're taking off the belt, because I had an editing software, I could put in the picture how the chains run. They run in a V. So just imagine two chains, one there, and there's two sprockets like a bike, one there, and one in the middle. So the chains run like that. And this one goes in the bottom to lock the bottom sprocket, and this one goes on the top when you take off the valve covers on the camshafts, so you can lock those so you won't they'll spin on you. The manual tells me that if you don't and seeing other videos too on YouTube, and the next video I'll probably put down in the descriptions what videos they are, so you guys can go look at those videos and you guys can get I'll probably put their video link on the bottom, because they helped me out and I got to give credit, because that's where I learned this, and to get the tools. And I got everything on Amazon, guys. This is all right here. It was $41 shipping and handling. What's today? The 8th. I think I ordered it. It came in like in 6 days, which that's what it takes. You know, sometimes it takes longer for different people because you guys are in different areas of the United States. You know, but the warehouses are coming, guys. The warehouses are coming, so they're gonna be everywhere. So you get your product faster. Also, to Rock Auto, they're everywhere. Those are the only two shipping companies I mess with. I yet to mess with eBay, and I did. And the thing is with eBay, you gotta read and make sure you communicate with the person that's selling the part to make sure you got what you need. Because if you don't, you're gonna get something wrong, and then you're blaming eBay. No, it's more than 50% of the time it's the person that messes up, and it's not. You know, you're not looking at the fine print in the bottom. There's a lot of disclaimers too on eBay too, so yeah, and eBay does have a lot of good stuff too. So no hating on nobody, just showing you what I go with. This is the tool, guys. I don't think that's the part number. I'll show you right now, but that's what it's called. I'll probably put the videos on the bottom after I'm done with this video. This one. If you guys want to, I guess, type that in. I don't know what will come out, but that's the tool. Oh, look, the part number's right there. Sweet. So if you guys want to pause that. Yeah. This is the only parts you're going to need. And I think this has to be the part number. Oh, it's black. You guys can't see it. It's super dark. Maybe if oh yeah, I put up the brightness real high for you guys. There it is, 5252119. So there. Yeah, my camera automatically goes back to like 50-50 bright and darkness. So I put it on bright so you guys can see it. But this is the one that goes on the bottom. So you got your V, right? Just imagine the letter V. This one goes in the bottom of the V, where the V goes like that, to lock the main crank in the bottom, guys, so that won't spin either. You don't want to lose timing on that. yeah. Let's open the next one. All right, guys. I had to like. All right, guys. It sounds so funny. I had to make fun of myself. Oh, it's still not ripped. It's still not ripped. Where else? There. It was funny. That's why when I said it. Anyways. Is it 2 part number on there? No, it just says pack of 2. A lot of the videos that I see, always the guy doing the video, the person, actually male or female, I don't, are always saying they should have gotten 2 of this part. And they regret not getting the other one. It's very hard. On Amazon, you just gotta shop and shop and shop and shop and shop and be there for a couple hours looking and looking and looking, and you will find the cheapest one, guys. There's some that go for 80. I'll put the how do you say it? The link in the bottom so you guys can go and get it. It might be sold out because it's cheap and I'm not the only one doing this, you know. Always look also, guys. Let's take out the other one so you guys can be like, there's not 2. No, there is 2. The other one's right there. Yeah, I'll stand up for you too. Let's stand up this one. It has these little plastic deals on them so it won't scratch. I'm gonna try to pick you up a little bit more, guys. Let's see if I can go higher. But yeah. So when you put it on the, when you put your cam in there, it won't scratch. Where, I don't know where this, I've never done this before. This is my first time putting this tool on there using this stuff, guys. But wherever this hits, it's not going to scratch it because it has this rubber on there. And some of them don't have it and some do. Look for the ones that do have it. I'm going to put the description in the bottom, guys, of where I got the part and stuff. And it's going to take you straight to Amazon so you guys can get it. Yeah. So this is it. There's the number. 511545. That is the part number for this, guys. And then it's what is it? IFJF camshaft holding tool for V8 V10 2-pack. Okay, yeah. I guess V10s have that size. So yeah, some of them don't have these. Always look for that. I looked for days on the internet, on Amazon, for the right part. They have it. You just gotta look and look and look. And then what Amazon does, it narrows things down and finds the best price for you. And there you go. So this only gets torqued down on the cam, guys, 20 foot-pounds. I read also on the bottom of the description that you only torque each, and it has to be first in increments. Like without the torque spec wrench, you're gonna torque them down evenly. You'll crack your camshaft. So you gotta torque them down evenly, and only 20, and that's it. That's all it needs to hold it, and that's just enough. Let's see the other one already. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Everything was $41 plus shipping and handling. Awesome, awesome. Jenks. Thanks a lot, Jeff. Thanks a lot, bro. It always helps me out. Like it's the people. It's the software. It's the app he's been building for many years that works for me. It's such a beautiful thing how it works and finds you the tool, and also the craftsmanship is a beautiful thing too as well. But there's the part number 1511545. Um, Also, guys, 20 foot-pounds. Just tying them up with a wrench and then go with them with the snug them down and then with the torque wrench. 20, 20, 20. I'm gonna say go from this side in, or in whatever side you want to come in, guys. If you want to go from here, 20, 1, 2, or 1 to 2, whatever side you want to do is fine. But there they are, and it's heavy. It's a good piece of tool. You know, I might be busting timing chains all day. Now I'm just playing. But it's a good tool to have, guys. For $41, I can do this job if I do it successfully on my Mustang, and I can do it for somebody else way, 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 way cheaper for them if they needed it done on their car instead of taking it to their dealership. I know a dealership's taking their money. They do everything to the spec, to the T, and I'm also doing that too. They just have a very nice, clean environment. You're mostly using the lift and the professionalism of their tools and stuff, but this is what it is here. You know, I just don't have a shop, but yeah, just to let you know, guys, you can do everything yourselves. And those are the tools, guys. So I guess that's it, guys. Just wanted to show you those tools, guys, and those are the ones you need. You need two to lock each cam because it's a single. It's a 2-valve single overhead cam. Mustang 4.6. If you're messing with the Cobra, that has 2 cams on each side with a little chain. So it has probably like 2 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that one has 4 chains altogether. Yeah. So that's a whole different setup. They also sell a timing little circular locking tool also that goes behind the cam, but I didn't get that one. That one was $94. I couldn't find that one anywhere cheap, so I just found these and spot welded 4 times. But it doesn't need a lot. This is holding it 20 foot-pounds, so the cam won't move. This is probably holding it whatever it holds, which is not that much, and it's the tool that holds it. Part number 525219, guys. Ford 2-valve. You got to make sure it says 2-valve. I'm gonna put the links in the description right now, as I just got them right now, hot off Amazon. Thanks a lot, Jeff. Peace, guys.